Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the cache on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, open the Settings app. In Settings, tap on Apps and Notifications, then tap See All Apps. Now locate the app that you would like to clear the cache for and tap on it to open the settings for it. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. The cache for that app has now been cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon Fire tips and tricks.